Maintaining correct tire pressure is a foundational vehicle maintenance task that directly impacts safety, fuel efficiency, tire wear, and overall driving comfort. Tire pressure gauges come in digital, analog, and pencil styles, each with distinct trade-offs around accuracy, readability, ease of use, and durability. For this comparison,
Product number 1. Eaton Wolf T300 Digital Tire Pressure Gauge 3 to 200 psi. The Eaton Wolf T300 is a compact digital gauge with a wide measurement range, 3 to 200 psi, and replaceable AAA batteries. It is calibrated to ANSI B40.7 Grade 2A, plus or minus 1 psi, and uses an LED-assisted display for dark environments. The design emphasizes durability with a sturdy and durable claim and a 30-second auto shutoff to conserve power, making it suitable for heavy-duty vehicles like pickups and RVs, where higher pressures and longer measurement sessions may occur. Performance-wise, the T300 maintains accuracy across its broad span, including extreme pressures below 12 psi and above 140 psi, and it promises stable operation in a wide temperature window, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The device includes a Schrader valve chuck and offers a color-modern Italian industrial aesthetic. A notable caveat is the absence of a Presta valve adapter in the package, which means bicycle users will need to source one separately. The lead time for battery replacement is minimal, and the LED illumination enhances nighttime usability, though the user interface relies on a small digital readout that may be harder to read at a quick glance compared to larger display models. Product number 2. Eaton Wolf Tire Pressure Gauge for cars 0 to 75 psi. This Eaton Wolf model targets everyday passenger vehicles and light trucks with a 0 to 75 psi range and a large glow dial for easy readability in low light. It is calibrated to ANSI B40.1 Grade A, plus or minus 1% of span, and features a 360-degree swivel chuck for flexible positioning. The brass and rubber construction adds a tactile premium feel compared with plastic counterparts, and the glow dial provides a practical advantage for nighttime checks. In practice, the glow dial improves inspection speed in dim environments, making it appealing for users who regularly check tires at night or in poorly lit garages. The 0 to 75 psi range aligns well with most road-going tires, though enthusiasts with higher performance or off-road tires may find this model insufficient. The 6.3 by 3.74 by 1.77-inch footprint and 10-ounce weight give it a stable balance between ergonomics and portability. A potential drawback is the slightly higher price point versus basic analog gauges in this tier, though the brass body can offer longevity and a premium feel that some users will value. The absence of a Presta adapter is not mentioned, so bicycle users should verify compatibility or purchase separately if needed. Product number 3. Sandfriend Car Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Sandfriend combines inflation capability with a digital pressure gauge in a compact form factor. The unit is ABS/PC bodied with a user-friendly LED display showing real-time pressure and inflation progress. It targets multi-vehicle use, including motorcycles, cars, and off-road tires, and emphasizes portability with a display-focused interface and a range of adapters. Performance-wise, this product is best viewed as a hybrid tool for quick inflation and monitoring rather than an ultra-precise gauge. While the description highlights a clear display and multiple adapters, the lack of a defined numeric accuracy spec in the listing makes it harder to compare directly with dedicated tire gauges. The included features like SOS or warning modes and a storage-friendly hose design are advantageous for camping or roadside needs. Given the limited user reviews and the missing price in the data, potential buyers should verify battery life, accuracy, and compatibility with their tire types before purchase. Product number 4.
astroai digital tire pressure gauge 0 to 150 psi. astroai's gauge is a high-value digital option with a 0 to 150 psi range, backlit LCD, and a 4-unit display: psi, bar, kgf per centimeter squared, and kPa. It ships with a Presta valve adapter and utilizes 3 LR44 batteries, offering quick readings with an auto shutoff after 30 seconds. The ergonomic design and bright display make it a practical pick for drivers who often read gauges in dim conditions, or who need a versatile unit to handle varied tire setups. In use, the astroai excels at readability and long-term convenience due to its familiar layout and broad unit support. The inclusion of a Presta adapter broadens compatibility to bicycles, motorcycles, and other vehicles. The power-saving auto shutdown helps conserve battery life during frequent checks. However, the reliance on non-standard batteries, LR44, can be a minor maintenance consideration. And while the accuracy is described as within plus or minus 1 psi, the slightly broader tool might be perceived as less compact than dedicated pencil gauges. Overall, it's a strong all-around performer for suburban drivers with diverse tire needs. Product number 5. Eaton Wolf Pencil Tire Pressure Gauge 2-Pack, 10 to 50 psi. This budget-friendly Eaton Wolf pencil gauge set offers 2 ranges, 10 to 50 psi and 20 to 120 psi, with stainless steel bodies and 16 included valve caps. The pencils are ANSI B40.1 grade B, plus or minus 2% in the middle 50% and plus or minus 3% at the extremes, which is typical for pencil gauges. The all-metal construction and deflation capability make this a durable, long-lasting option for everyday maintenance across cars, pickups, RVs, and bicycles that fit the range. In practice, the pencil design is known for its low cost and high portability. Each gauge is manually calibrated and marked with a calibration number, which can reassure users about traceability. The inclusion of 2 gauges and 16 valve caps adds significant value for households managing multiple vehicles or shared garages. The stainless steel body resists corrosion, and the compact 5.8 by 7.9 by 0.7-inch footprint makes it easy to stash in a glove box or toolkit. A potential shortcoming is the looser middle-range accuracy compared with higher-grade digital devices, and the lack of a digital readout can slow reading speed for some users.